All right, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to screen record on your MacBook. It's actually super simple and it comes built in to your MacBook, so you don't have to worry about installing any apps. First, you're going to want to go to your launch pad down here in the corner, look up Quicktime, and then open it. And then right here, you should see like a little menu, like a little window. And then you can go right up here to File, and you can click New Screen Recording. And down here, it's going to open up this little window, and you're going to have a few options. Right here, you have options for where you want to save the file to, timer, if you want to hook up a microphone. Now, just for this video, I don't have a microphone hooked up, but it will come up under this microphone settings, so you just click that because it will record audio and video. And then you have some other options down here, like I have it set to record the entire screen right now, but you also can record a selected portion as well as certain windows. And then all you do to record is hit record down here. In addition, up here you have a bunch of other options. Go to the top right here. As you guys can see, this little icon will come up once you start recording, after you hit record in the top corner, and you just click this to stop recording and it will bring up your saved file. So as you guys can see right here, and it will just go straight to your desktop. So that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.